Thank you for joining us. An appeals court decision years in the making will drastically change early voting in Madison.
Amy Reed spoke with the city clerk today about what it'll mean for the November election, now just months away. Amy?
One of the big changes this ruling makes is it shortens the in-person absentee voting window from 6 weeks down to 2, and city officials worry how that's going to impact voters.
We are really concerned about the effect this will have, particularly for the November election.
The Madison city clerk is trying to figure out what the city can do to maintain accessible voting this fall.
We will do everything we can to follow the law and offer equitable access to casting a ballot, but this really makes it much more difficult.
Senate Majority Leader Scott Fitzgerald praised the decision from the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals, saying this is a win for fair elections. The ruling puts municipalities in every corner of Wisconsin closer to equal footing when it comes to early in-person voting.
They can argue that it's uniform, but it is far, far from being fair, and it's far from being equitable.
The decision overturns a previous lower court ruling that argued restrictions on in-person absentee voting unfairly affected African Americans in Milwaukee. But the circuit court judge said Republicans were looking at politics, not race, with the restrictions.
Well, it looks like parties can do whatever they want now to election laws so long as they don't engage in unequivocal racial discrimination.
UW political science professor Mike Wagner said the decision could have a larger impact on racial minorities. His research shows black people already have to travel farther and Hispanic people have to wait longer to vote. At the city-county building in Madison, the clerk worries this ruling could mean the return of long, sometimes hours-long lines to vote, and given the pandemic, could lead to disenfranchisement.
That creates a situation where there could be people who feel they have no option for casting their ballot and might feel that voting is not a possibility for them.
While the clerk works to figure out how she'll manage this change, she's also sending out a record number of absentee ballots for the August primary. She encourages people to go to myvote.wi.gov to make sure that all your information is current.